Albert Einstein, born on March 14, 1879, in Ulm, Germany, is one of the most influential scientists in history. His revolutionary theories transformed our understanding of space, time, and energy, laying the foundation for modern physics. Beyond his scientific achievements, Einstein's life reflects a journey of curiosity, perseverance, and moral integrity, a story of how a curious mind can change the world. Einstein's early years were marked by quiet contemplation and a deep fascination with the mysteries of nature. Raised in Munich in a secular Jewish family, he showed an early interest in science and mathematics. A compass his father showed him sparked his lifelong curiosity about invisible forces. He attended school in Munich, but felt stifled by the rigid education system, preferring to learn independently. At 15, his family moved to Italy, and Einstein soon followed, leaving school without a diploma. He later enrolled at the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, where he studied physics and mathematics, graduating in 1900. Despite his academic promise, he struggled to find a teaching position and instead took a job as a patent examiner in Bern, Switzerland. The year 1905 became known as Einstein's annus mirabilis, miracle year, when he published 4 groundbreaking papers that revolutionized physics. In one, he explained the photoelectric effect, laying the groundwork for quantum theory and earning him the Nobel Prize in 1921. Another paper provided evidence for the existence of atoms by analyzing Brownian motion. His third paper introduced the special theory of relativity, which redefined concepts of space and time. Most famously, he presented the equation E equals mc. 2, revealing the profound relationship between mass and energy, a discovery that would later influence nuclear science. These works established Einstein as a leading theoretical physicist. In 1915, Einstein expanded his relativity theory with the general theory of relativity. This framework described gravity not as a force, but as the curvature of spacetime caused by mass and energy. The theory made specific predictions, including the bending of light by gravity. In 1919, observations during a solar eclipse confirmed this prediction, making Einstein an international celebrity. His name became synonymous with genius, and his image, wild hair and thoughtful expression, entered popular culture as the archetype of the brilliant scientist. Throughout the 1920s, Einstein continued his research, exploring unified field theory and contributing to the development of quantum mechanics, though he remained skeptical of its probabilistic nature. He debated with Niels Bohr and other physicists about the fundamental nature of reality, famously stating that God does not play dice with the universe. Despite his reservations, his early work had helped launch the quantum revolution. He also became a respected public figure, using his platform to advocate for peace, international cooperation, and civil rights. The rise of Nazism in Germany forced Einstein, a Jew and a pacifist, to leave Europe. In 1933, he renounced his German citizenship and emigrated to the United States, accepting a position at the Institute for Advanced Study in Princeton, New Jersey. There, he continued his search for a unified theory that could reconcile gravity with electromagnetism, though this quest remained unfulfilled. His move to America placed him at the center of emerging scientific and political developments. In 1939, concerned about Nazi Germany's potential to develop nuclear weapons, Einstein signed a letter to President Franklin D. Roosevelt urging research into atomic energy. This action contributed to the launch of the Manhattan Project, though Einstein himself was not directly involved due to security concerns. After the atomic bombs were dropped on Japan in 1945, he became a vocal advocate for nuclear disarmament and international control of atomic energy. He believed scientists had a moral responsibility to prevent the misuse of scientific discoveries. Beyond physics, Einstein was a man of deep humanism. He spoke out against racism and supported civil rights in the United States. He was offered the presidency of Israel in 1952, but declined, citing lack of political experience. He maintained a simple lifestyle in Princeton, known for his humility, wit, and approachability. Colleagues and neighbors remembered him as a kind, thoughtful person who enjoyed sailing, playing the violin, and engaging in philosophical discussions. Einstein's scientific legacy is immense. His theories underpin technologies from GPS systems to nuclear energy and shape our understanding of the cosmos, from black holes to the expansion of the universe. Though he never achieved his dream of a unified theory, his insights continue to guide physicists today. His thought experiments, such as imagining riding alongside a beam of light, exemplify the power of imagination in scientific discovery. Albert Einstein passed away on April 18, 1955, in Princeton, leaving behind a body of work that redefined reality and a personal example of intellectual courage and moral conscience. His life demonstrates that true genius combines curiosity with empathy, innovation with responsibility. From a curious child in Germany to a global icon, Einstein's journey inspires generations to question, explore, and strive for a better world, proving that one mind, armed with wonder and integrity, can transform humanity's understanding of the universe.